Hey guys, welcome back to Shimi's Kitchen with me, Shamaila. Today let's make Moringa leaf stir fry. In Tamil we say Murungai Keera Poriyal or Hindi mein Munge ki bhaji. Munge ki bhaji is very simple to make yet sounds delicious and has innumerable health benefits. It increases your appetite as it is rich in iron content. It helps to relieve from hair loss problems, anemia, and also increase lactation for nursing mothers. I usually prepare some greens for our regular lunch, but this recipe occurs once in a while in my kitchen. So let's see how I make this. Heat 1 tablespoon ghee in a kadai and 2 tablespoon oil. Goes in 2 finely chopped onions. Saute till it becomes translucent. And next I'm going to do is add handful of chopped coconut in a blender, 3 garlic cloves, 3 dry red chilies and some roasted peanuts. Don't add water in this, grind it coarsely and set this aside. Now check with the onions if it's ready, then add half teaspoon salt, mix well, and to this I am adding washed moringa leaves. Give this a very nice mix and cook this for 2 minutes on medium-high heat. Always choose fresh and tender leaves as it tastes good and cooks fast. And next I'm adding this coconut mixture. Again fry this for 2 minutes on slow flame. And now you can see moringa leaf stir fry is ready to serve. This recipe goes well with dal rice or rasam rice, but my mom used to give this as a mid-morning snack. So guys, try this out and let me know how it turned out for you. And follow us on Instagram page shimis.kitchen for more updates and subscribe to our channel. And when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing recipes. Take care, stay healthy and have a nice day.